Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. These are all going to be non-phone, mostly non-phone. Hopefully, there is something a little bit for everyone in here. I have companies that are literally paying you to review incoming faxes and responding to them. There are healthcare companies, there are non-healthcare companies. Most of these don't require any kind of college degree. I think one does. So again, a little bit of something for everyone. Of course, as always, the links to all the pages I share, if you want to read reviews on the companies or put those applications in, are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me that direct feedback. If you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, pay is going to be different for each job, but pay ranges up to $26 an hour for some of these jobs. None are lower than $15 an hour, I don't believe. So we're going to dive on in. The timestamps are linked in the YouTube description box below this video too. So if you come across a job and it is not for you, you can just go ahead and skip to the next one. I'm trying to make these videos as easy for you as I can. First up, we have the company Corvel. Now, Corvel has 578 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.1 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a data verification specialist. Now, this is going to be full-time, and it does say this is a remote work-from-home opportunity. But they are looking for a data verification specialist to review bills for all clerical functions, including mail, prepping, scanning, medical bills, data entry, data verification. You may, from time to time, have to assist with various phone or email tasks, but the basis of the job is validating the incoming data to the bill review system. You'll identify and apply any customer-specific rules and processing, and you'll consistently communicate with your supervisor regarding the status of the data verification work queue and workload. You're going to do all of these clerical assigned data, complying with all safety rules and regulations. So it's going to be a lot of data entry and research. They are only requiring a high school diploma or GED, and some kind of experience in a professional office is preferred but not required. You do need to have the ability to be a multitasker working on several tasks at the same time. Someone who can be a problem solver and is familiar with those basic computer systems like Microsoft Office applications, Word, Excel, Outlook. Now, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but pay ranges from $15.50 an hour all the way up to $21.81 an hour. Moving right along, we have the company Cella. Now, Cella does have 204 reviews from current and past employees. They do come highly rated out of those 200 people that work for them, though. They have an employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote proofreader. Now, they are looking for somebody to be in the Eastern Standard Time working hours, and it is going to be part-time, working about 15 hours a week. They are paying $25 an hour per W-2, but they're looking for somebody to proofread or review a copy to make sure the proper grammar, spelling, syntax, and style have been applied. This is going to require a great eye for detail. You're going to provide proofreading, editing, and checking corrections, slugging as directed by the designers and project coordinators. So you're going to be checking printed publications in a layout stage, such as booklets, newsletters, ads, detail ads, handouts, and forms. You might also have to look at detailed charts, figures, and numerical tables, making sure that those are correct. You'll have to deal with PowerPoint decks and also web content. Now, this is going to require you to have some experience. They are looking for somebody who has a bachelor's degree in communication, journalism, or English, and someone who has 5 years of professional proofreading experience, and you know those AMA style guides. But if you don't have a degree and you think maybe reviewing incoming faxes might be your thing, the healthcare company CareCentrix, they have 534 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a customer service expert for their fax line. Now, pay is going to be $16.50 an hour up to $22 an hour, but you're basically going to have the opportunity to be the first point of contact for patients needing home health care services. You're going to be responsible for receiving and responding to those incoming faxes from providers, referral sources, and potential patients by collecting and entering their clinical and demographic information into the CareCentrix portal. So basically just processing these incoming faxes and doing a lot of data entry from the faxes into the system. They are only requiring a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of customer service experience, strong computer skills, and great problem solving skills. Again, pay starts at $16.50 an hour, can go up to $22 an hour, and they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, and 401k. Now, the rest of the job leads in this video are also going to be in the healthcare field. So if healthcare is not your thing, maybe you can drop off now. But if it is, we have the company Sarnova. They have 98 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a patient care report research. Now, they're specifically looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., working from the comfort of your own home. But the research representative is going to be responsible for researching patient and insurance records for their client's EMS or ambulance patients. You're going to receive the patient care reports, and from those reports, you're going to verify that all the information is received and recorded prior to the coding of the claims to go out to the insurance companies for payment. So you need to enjoy searching for information, working for deadlines, and multitasking. Some of the things you might do is gather and find the insurance information, verify the information is in the system, verify the insurance is valid for the date of service. You also have to verify information like name, date of birth, and address of each patient. You'll do this in a few ways. Most of the time, healthcare information like that is verified online through provider insurance web portals, but if you can't get that information from the portal from time to time, you may have to pick up the phone and call the insurance company. They probably have other websites as well that you can do your research on. As far as what they're looking for, no college degree is needed. They need somebody who has the ability to multitask, who can work both independently and as a team, who can work in a professional manner. Of course, you have to have a great attention to detail and great computer skills. Now, unfortunately, pay for this position was not listed. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. And keeping right along with the same theme, if research is kind of your thing, we have the company Hazel Health. They have 41 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a medical billing associate. Again, this is remote for the United States, but they're basically looking for somebody to do a research and verify detailed insurance benefits, medical necessity, authorization, referral guidelines, anything about the claim for the insurance company to make sure that the claim goes out and gets paid by the insurance. Now, you have to read and interpret the explanation of benefits from the insurance company, verifying all information obtained is correctly documented in the patient's chart in the correct format. You'll have to communicate with these insurance providers either through phone or electronically through those web portals that I was talking about, making sure that the patient benefits have been verified, checking the authorization requirements, reviewing the authorization status, all that. So it's going to be a lot of research in those online provider portals, just making sure you have all the patient information and insurance information ready to go so that that claim can get billed out and paid by the insurance. They are looking for somebody who has a passion for transforming healthcare for children, somebody who has 2 years experience in insurance verification with either Medicaid, managed Medicaid, or commercial payers like Blue Cross, United Healthcare, things like that. Somebody who can work with those Google Suite, so like Google Sheets, Google Docs, that is the Google equivalent of the Microsoft Office systems. They do want somebody who knows how to work eligibility healthcare tools and somebody who is self-motivated and can be a good decision maker. Now, pay for this position is very good, anywhere from $22 an hour all the way up to $26 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, feel free to leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can't make any promises, but I always read those and keep a running list and do keep my eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.